have been granted bail by on a coordinate bench of this honorable court, and these are the on the grounds of care.
Why this is before me?
It was rejected by you, Lord.
Once
Rejected.
by your Lord.
Yes.
Oh. So these are okay. Then what is your petitioner's case?
I was arrested on the basis of confessional statement, Lordship.
Confessional statement by whom? Co-accused.
Co-accused, prime accused, Motibur Bhaiya, who has already granted bail.
I mean, you got arrested with on the basis of the
Confessional
statement made by
prime
the
accused,
co-accused.
Motibur Bhaiya.
Oh. On his submission, arrests were made.
And total 11 witnesses are there. No witnesses were examined till today.
So basically, you are pressing on
Grounds of arrest and grounds of parity, principle of parity, Lordship.
grounds of arrest also you have taken.
Yes, Lordship.
You have taken the ground of arrest also.
Yes, Lordship. And
Where you have you annexed the arrest memo or whatever inspection
Lord.
memo you have
Yes.
annexed, no?
Yes, Lordship. Page number
The grounds
37.
of arrest were not there.
Yes, page number 37, Lordship. Page number 37 is the section 50 notice.
Yes, you can see it. So your date of arrest is?
My date of arrest is 6th of May 2023. The same day, but subsequent arrest.
Same day, subsequently got it.
Subsequent.
Okay. Why the witnesses could not be examined till date? Is there any reason?
Actually, the case is pending before court number 5, additional 5.
It was vacant.
Yes, it was vacant.
Kamrup
as well as, yes, Lordship. And as well as the PP is not available in this court. No PP is there.
Actually, what has happened, we are facing some problem in Guwahati especially. Yes.
And
Not in
also
Guwahati, some other districts also we are facing that
Yes,
problem. Anyway, yes, Mr. Gusami.
Perhaps in some occasions, the petitioner witness appeared, but could not be examined. That some others I have found.
Okay.
And these are cases. Ultimately, my lord, till date, my lord, no witness examined, but notices were sent to them, my lord.
Maybe appeared, but the honorary learned judge was not there.
And after that, my lord, regarding, and some orders were passed regarding submission of bail applications, my lord. For some bail applications were also filed, my lord. Some dates have been passed for by deciding those bail applications. This is also there is some orders, my lord.
So you want to say that some occasion the witnesses arrived, but due to absence of the court could not be.
Yes, ma'am.
And due to the pendency of the bail application also?
Yes, this what I have found from the orders, my lord. I have just flag marked down those orders, my lord. And regarding my lord, non-completion of my lord, first, my lord, I will take one ground, my lord. The long incarceration, my lord. What happened, my lord? One petition has been filed in the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, regarding delay of my lord, regarding the delay, my lord. So
this petitioner?
yes, by one of the co-accused, my lord.
Hamidullah.
Hamidullah, my lord.
Nazir Hussain.
Yes, on that case, my lord, the Honorable Apex Supreme Court has given a direction to complete the my lord, proceeding within 9 months, my lord, so far as possible, my lord, because this, that, I have flag marked that order, my lord.
Okay.
That from the Supreme Court, my lord. So if we go by that order, my lord, now that 9 months have not elapsed, my lord. It is my one part of argument, my lord. Whereas
Date of
those-
order was?
Date of order 25/9/24.
But who are the
Sure,
petitioners?
but to me, if you want to submit, first you submit, then I will submit.
Yeah, so
I
I,
don't say anything.
okay.
Wait, I think. Kiba kowa je koilo.
Wait, it's
Six.
from open.
So, my lord, if we go by that order, my lord,
Hmm.
the that order, say 9 months is there, my, so it will elapse at June, my lord. If we go by that technical, my lord, because honorable court has also stated that, at that stage also, no grounds taken regarding the bail, non-furnishing of the notices, my lord.
They have not taken.
Not taken at the Supreme Court also, my, on 25/9/24, there is an order. I have flag mark that has come here. So that is there, my, that is one part, my lord. So my long incarceration goes, my lord, by that order, my lord, because that order is still here, my lord. And that is 25/9, so it will be over until July, my lord, if we go by that order, my lord. That is one part, my lord. And those facts are not pointed out in the earlier orders of the lawsuits to the best, my lord. Because I am pointing out, lest I leave it to lawsuits, my lord. So these are points, my lord, so perhaps it require, my lord, consideration, my lord, right, what I have found, my lord. So that is one part, my lord. And the other things, my lord, and also, my lord, regarding his arrest. Arrest is before the Pankaj
Probably
Bansal's case.
once.
Pankaj Bansal's case, my lord. So we have made some,
Yes.
taken some plea, and that is, your lordship is, that is yet to be
Yes,
delivered.
I will already.
Delivered, that is BA 1878/2025, my lord. Well, I am relying on those, stand we have taken on that bail petition, my lord, regarding the.
It is
prospect.
BA 1878.
1878, my lord. 1878/25.
Oh,
So, my lord, regarding the
Justice Fukon.
no, my, it is before your lawsuit.
Okay.
Before your, that is.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
That is, yeah,
Okay.
that is, yeah.
Mm.
So.
That in that case, you have taken the plea.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Everything we have discussed and.
Yes, it is. These are all recorded.
Yeah, recorded, my lord, that please we have taken that. That is regarding, my lord, a notice, my lord.
Mm.
Another thing what I would like to place before your lordship is that, my lord, what is the mandate of Article 22(1), my lord, is that a person without, he has to be informed while he is arrested. And second part is that, my lord, for that his relatives has to be arrested, my lord, informed, so that his release could be made. If he can pray for release. That is the main objective of the, my lord, Article 22(1). How, in my humble submission, my lord, that objective has been fulfilled. Because another thing is that, my lord, your lawsuits go by Section 50A of CRPC.
Hmm.
There is 50A, perhaps clause D, my lord. The learned, when they were produced, my lord, learned magistrate has to ascertain, my lord, whether those Section 50 notice and whether they have information or not, my lord, those aspects has to be considered by the magistrate, and it has to be recorded, my lord. That is one part. So magistrate, so.
That from the order, can you tell us
Yes.
whether he was
Yes.
there?
Yes, ma'am. That is what, and that order is there, my lord.
Okay.
Plus, I'm just. I'm reading out, my lord.
Hmm.
Case record is put up in such and such cases. The accused person such and such. That is one. His name is, my lord, Abdul Haq, my lord. Here, my lord, Abdul Haq is also present. Motiur Bomba, Abdul Haq, Hamidul, everyone is present, my lord. Accused persons such and such have been produced before me in connection with the above notice case for commission of offence under Section 21C and 29 NDPS. Seen the FIR, Azahar forwarding report, arrest memo, inspection memo, notice under Section 50 CRPC, and a medical report submitted by the IO. Heard the submission of the accused persons regarding engagement of advocate for defending them in this case. The accused persons verbally submitted that their family members will engage learned advocates to defend them in the case. that is for the primary objective of Article 22(1). They has to be informed, and after that, they should get an opportunity. So their relatives would 22(1) next part, my lord, their relatives has to get an opportunity so that he could be released. That aspect is very much clear from this order, my lord. Very specific, my lord. The accused persons verbally submitted that their family members will engage learned counsels to defend them in this case. So as per this order, my lord, the mandate of Article 22(1) is fulfilled, my lord. So my lord,
Order is dated?
order is dated, my lord, 6/5/2023.
Oh, on the date of arrest,
And yes, my dear, it was given.
production.
Yes, so very much clear, my lord. So I'm just I'm getting this time. So I am flag mark, my lord. So that's 6/5. So my submission is that, my lord, the section 50 notice has also been fulfilled, my lord. Requirement. What is the requirement, my lord? That has been fulfilled. And that because it is also fulfilled regarding section 50A plus subsections, my lord, that the magistrate has to make a satisfaction whether they are compliant or not. That has come from this order, my lord. So there is no violation of section 50, my lord, in my humble submission, and what I have placed from the record, my lord. And other regarding merit, my lord, he has though nothing has been, my lord, recovered, my lord, but my lord, from the statements I have found, my lord, that they are very much in hand in glove, my lord. That because, my lord, after his arrest, my lord, they were led to that hotel, my lord, from where other accused were arrested. And from the statements of his other co-accused, all the other co-accused, 3-4 co-accused are there, they have always stated that we have come together for the purpose of selling and procuring drugs. My lord. So, and lordship will find 67 of the NDPS Act, my lord, where your lordship will find that the relevancy of co-accused statement, my lord. Honorable Apex Court has said that at that for the purpose of, because we are deciding on the bail, my lord.
Yes,
And,
obviously.
Yes, ma'am, because for the purpose of deciding on the bail, ma'am, so section 67 has the relevance, my lord, for purpose of bail, my lord. That has when, my lord, though that decision I have not, but there is decision lordship I have.
Yeah, obviously,
But,
but otherwise also, Tufan Singh is speaking about the
trials.
trial stage.
Trials.
Trial stage.
Whether you will be convicted or not.
Yes, that on the basis of
is-
67, there may not be any
They
conviction.
may not
on
be
that.
convicted, but-
That is the main issue.
But for the purpose of investigation and for other purpose, my lord, like regarding bail, my lord, it can be taken as a relevant consideration. Is
Of yes, and yes.
Lordship, actually, the person who approached the Supreme Court, Mr. Hamidullah Nazir Hussain, and the Supreme Court made observation to give the bail.
Just tell us one thing, that those Hamidullah and Nazir Hussain, they approached the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Supreme Court-
Thereafter, there one order was there, which have already
yes, 9 months
submission by
time,
Mr.
yes.
Goswami.
But
the question is that said Abdul and Azir, they again appeared and filed bail petition here.
this is the regarding.
They are still behind the bar.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
No, all are enlarged on bail.
No, that's what I'm saying. That
Except me.
there are persons who moved
Yes.
an application before the Honorable Apex Court. They have already they have approached with another bail application before the trial.
Yes, before, not before. Yes, before the trial court,
Uh-huh.
and trial court has granted bail to them.
Acha.
The Hamidullah and Nazir Hussain have been granted bail by the trial court itself. Then Motibur Bhaiya, prime accused, and Mistal Haq, Ibad Hussain, Abdul Wadud. They have approached honorable court, and coordinate bench of different coordinate benches have granted bail to these persons, except me. And I was rejected by your lordship. That's why I have approached this court, and I am the last person still in the behind bars.
So you are the last person. If you granted bail, then you can again altogether you can commit again same offense.
Mm,
It will be good for you also, na?
no, this is not. I just
Because whole team will be there then.
my humble submission is that on the grounds of arrest, all have been granted bail, and on the grounds of parity, may kindly be enlarged me also on the bail.
Okay, sit.
Super, yes, this is earlier, my lord, what I pointed out, these issues are not before lordships, my lord. That is why I pray for consideration of these issues. And Hamidullah did, yes, my lord, I have seen the order, my lord. He was granted bail by trial court because he was on the basis of his illness, my lord.
Or
62-year-old because of illness that is
considering illness.
considering his illness. I have just marked this. Okay.
Pending before which court this one? This cases are?
And the additional 5,
Oh, that's what you're submitting.
additional 5 metro, Kamrup Metro.
And perhaps, my lord, while deciding, my lord, in the earlier judgment by earlier, your lordship's earlier court, perhaps these aspects are not brought before the, because order honorable Supreme Court is there, all aspects might perhaps, because there is no, my lord,
It will be,
observation in the orders, my lord.
it will DD order for you.
There is no observation in the order.
Okay, okay, I'll pass you.